Welcome back. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to connect your WhatsApp business account to Connektly using the Meta embedded signup flow. To get started, simply click on the Continue to WhatsApp button and select Continue with Facebook to securely log into your Meta account. Once the pop-up loads, you'll be prompted to select the business assets you want to share. Choose your Meta business portfolio from the drop-down and select Create a WhatsApp business account. Next, you need to enter the business information that will be associated with this new asset. Type in your official business name. In this case, we're setting up a YouTube Help video profile. Select your business category and click Next. Now it's time to link your phone number. Enter the phone number you want to use for your WhatsApp business profile. Since we are creating this WhatsApp account for tutorial purposes, we will proceed with selecting Use Display Name Only and use Meta's free WhatsApp number to proceed. Proceed with completing the 2FA steps, if prompted. Allow it a few seconds to finish the integration. Review the permissions you are granting to Connektly and click Finish to close the window. Your WhatsApp business account is now successfully connected to Connektly. Just allow it a few seconds to finish activating. Once it finishes the activation, you can either set up your business profile right now or decide to skip this for now. That's it. From your Connektly dashboard, you can always manage this integration. Simply navigate to Connections on the left-hand menu, where you'll see your WhatsApp business channel is fully connected and ready to handle your marketing and support conversations. In the next part, we will learn about creating and using templates. Thanks for tuning in.